Welcome back to ClearSpot. Solar farms often stretch across hundreds of acres. A single farm may have millions of panels. Identifying faults, like cracks, dust buildup, or wiring issues, using human inspection could take weeks. And during that time, power generation losses go unnoticed. Clearly, the industry needs faster, safer, and more reliable solutions. Drones bring speed, precision, and automation to solar operations. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and thermal sensors, drones can scan thousands of panels in just a few hours. Instead of days of manual work, a drone flight can generate a complete health report of an entire solar farm. Here's how it works. The drone flies in pre-programmed routes, capturing both visual and thermal images. Thermal cameras detect hotspots, which indicate malfunctioning cells, wiring issues, or shading problems. High-powered software processes this data, automatically tagging panels that need cleaning, repair, or replacement. This reduces inspection time by up to 80% and increases detection accuracy compared to traditional methods. The benefits are game-changing. Efficiency. What once took weeks now takes hours. Cost savings. Reduced manpower and fewer energy losses mean higher returns on investment. Safety. No more risky manual climbing or exposure to extreme conditions. Sustainability. Keeping panels at peak performance ensures maximum clean energy generation. In real-world projects, drones have detected issues invisible to the human eye, from hairline cracks to hidden wiring faults. In one large-scale farm, drone inspections helped recover enough energy to power 2,000 homes annually, just by identifying underperforming panels early. Solar energy is the future, and drones are ensuring that future shines brighter than ever. By combining clean power with cutting-edge technology, we're creating a world that is efficient, sustainable, and innovative. The sky is no longer the limit, it's the solution. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot Smart Device, Smarter Decision.